therapist started making me talk in puppetries if I didn't have enough problems already.
Roy, show us with the puppets how the aliens touched you.
What do you want from me? You already know what I want, Roy.
I used to fucking love E.T. Can't watch that shit no more. And I got all this money tied up in custom puppetry. Yeah, they're fun and stuff. Sometimes while I'm alone, I'm like, hey, Roy, how's it going? It's not so bad, is it? Yeah, well, guess what? It's not all fun and puppety games around here. The raisin puppet represents myself. Dried up, shriveled, and broken. He has papier-mâché arms to represent the weakness the aliens instilled in me after they touched me. Get off of me!